Hey guys, wanna know how to add markers in Filmora? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, open up your Wondershare Filmora. And once you're there, import any audio or video that you like. Now once you've dragged it to the timeline just like this, it's super simple to add markers. Just simply click M on your keyboard. And there you have it. On the timeline you can see this blue marker icon right here. That's how you add it. That's the shortcut. If you want to also sort for the icon, it's right here. This marker like icon is how you add markers to your screen. Super simple and easy. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.